And Pappy helped you out, huh? Hey, no. Freyja, that's what this is for. Freyja. Hmm?
How about this?
Oh. What's that, Freyja?
Did you get this? Your mom get this?
I didn't get this.
Maybe we wait.
We'll wait. Yeah, we'll wait. But I do have something else for her. You want to hold this? Yeah.
Uh,
There you go. Conan's afraid. Don't be afraid.
Are you enjoying your new bed? Hmm? Are you enjoying your new bed there, dog? Holding your stick in your mouth?
At least you've got it in your mouth now.
Look, Conan kind of check on the bed, look. He's curious. He's like, I'm jealous. He didn't pay you much attention, did he?
Hey, Freyja. Look at this ugly bug. Look at this ugly bug. Here you go.
She immediately chews on anything you give her.
That's dog.
Enjoying it? Yummy. Chew stick's better, you're right. No, blanket, bed's better. Nope, toy's better. Yep. Nope. Why would you try to reach as far out there and get it as you can? You're silly. A silly dog. Oh, got the chew stick going again, huh? Alrighty.